party line.
The Congress will contest all 60 seats in the next year's assembly elections in the state, Pradesh Congress Committee Chief Vincent Pala said on Monday. 57 candidates are said to be ready for the polls. Pala refused to comment on post-poll alliance with either the National People's Party or the Trinamool Congress. He said such alliances would depend on both sides. The Congress, which had emerged as the single largest party in 2013 and 2018 polls, is today a shadow of its glorious past. 12 of its MLAs had jumped ship in November last year to be with the TMC. The remaining 5, all of them suspended, have more or less ditched the party. They are likely to join other parties and contest the polls.
This looks too compressed, so they try to buy them. That's why whomever we projected, many people also are joining us. We have you have seen also in Panosla, we have got a very Baneru has joined us. If you see in the West Castles also, so many are joining us. We have got, and in Giant Hills, I'm going to finalize after 2-3 days. Lots of people are joining us also in Jawai.
Meghalaya